What's up guys, welcome to my brand new video of effective methods to lose weight. If you are one of those people who are trying to lose weight and get in shape, you have come to the right video. Please continue to watch till the end of the video and I will make sure I tell you all of those tips and tricks and effective methods that will help you lose the weight. Did you know that 90% of the people who are looking forward to lose weight fail within the first few weeks? I was one of them until I discovered one of the simplest techniques to lose weight. And the good part about that is it's easy, it's doable, it's sustainable, and anybody can do it. But for me, the wake-up call wasn't about the looks, it was about my health. So let me show you how I turned things around. I know exactly how you feel. I was one of those people who was completely off track, focusing on just work and neglecting my health completely. Then, one day, a routine blood test changed everything. I was diagnosed with pre-diabetes, and that was a big trigger point for me to lose my weight. Rather than just getting good on my looks, I was more focused on my health. Today I'm going to tell you exactly how I lost 25 kgs, the effective strategies that worked out for me, and how you can do the same. Losing weight isn't just about working out more or eating less. It is emotional, physical, and mental challenge. So here are the common struggles that you might be facing. Most of the people don't start doing anything until their health forces them to do something. It's very difficult to keep your hands off those delicious and high-calorie food like chocolates, donuts, cakes, shakes, pizzas, burgers. Lack of motivation. Starting is easy, but staying consistent is the biggest challenge. It is difficult to stay consistent. Slow progress is one of those factors that you can feel discouraged if the things aren't moving in the right direction for you. Misinformation. There are so many diet plans and workouts that claim to be the best, but which one actually works out? Let's find out. For me, the biggest trigger was diagnosis with pre-diabetes. That was when I realized I need to take control of my health, not just for myself, but for my family. So without wasting any more time, let's get to the strategies that actually worked out for me. Step number 1 is track your calories. I personally logged each food that I ate in my FitnessPal app. I've given you the link in the description. Go and download that app. It's free. You don't need to buy any premium features. It works for free. First thing is you want to know what is your BMR. BMR is the number of calories you need for the full day to stay on the weight exactly what you are. For example, if you are a bit overweight and you're a man, you might have a BMR of 2200 calories. And as per my knowledge, you can live a life if you are taking 1200 calories each day. Trust me. I also use some medical health, which I want to tell you in this video, but I wanted to make sure I maintain a calorie deficit of 1000 calories each day. Having 1000 calories of deficit each day and getting to 7700 calories deficit in total will help you lose 1 kg of weight. That's simple math. So, if you were to exercise and make your required calories from 2200 calories to 2500 calories, and you still continue to make a deficit of 1000 plus 300 calories with your exercise, and you get 1300 calories deficit, you will lose more than a kg within a week. I personally started losing 4 to 5 kgs per month when I started doing this. Step number 2, using Ozempic pen, a doctor prescribed medical tool. It's like a small injection. This was something that was prescribed to me by my doctor when I was diagnosed with pre-diabetes. I told my doctor that I've been doing sports, I've been doing a lot of exercise, but I am unable to lose weight. This tool helps you significantly reduce your appetite, get rid of your cravings, and this is one of the things that has significantly helped me in reducing my appetite and making that calorie deficit. I'm not a medical practitioner, so I'm not recommending you to get this. I would recommend you to have a chat with your doctor, tell them your problem, so that you go with the right direction, you go with the right way, which is good for you. I'm not a medical practitioner, I'm not a doctor, I'm not a medical advisor. Please don't follow my advice. Go check with your doctor, and they are somebody to help you. If you need it, you can get that prescribed by a doctor. I'm giving the link of the product that I'm using. There are many alternatives available in the market, so you might want to check which one works for you with your doctor. Not my advice, please know that. Step number 3 is increase your daily step count. Look for ways where you can increase your step count. For example, I have a 2-minute parking lot and a parking lot which is 7 minutes away. I would park my car at 7 minutes to walk more. The days when I lost weight a lot, which was September 2024, I remember I was doing a minimum of 15,000 steps each day. How would I do that? I would walk to the office, come back walking. I would walk to the gym, come back walking. I would walk to the groceries and come back walking home. I was doing like 15,000 minimum. When I say minimum, I would go up to 18,000 as well. So yeah, step count is important. Walking is the most underrated exercise. If you walk more, I'm not asking you to jog, I'm not asking you to run, I'm asking you to do brisk walk. Walking is the most sustainable exercise you can do. If you can't walk more, start walking 5 minutes. Then increase it to 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Do a minimum of 30 minutes each day at a speed of 6 kilometers per hour. Or if you're doing it miles per hour, do it 3.8 miles per hour each day for 30 minutes. Brisk walk, sweat some, sweat out. Burn some calories. Step number 4, food adjustments. Even a burger has 400 calories and a chicken salad has 400 calories. So it's your choice to select which food do you want to have. Obviously, having salads and chicken is going to make you feel full for longer and your gut will feel better, your gut health will improve rather than with a chicken burger, which is fried chicken. Obviously, it has protein but has a lot of carbs. You have to move your way from carbs to more protein, fat, and the least should be carbs. I would say make 35 to 40% protein, 30% to 45% fat, and the lowest carb percentage, do the math, that should be your carbs. Eat less carbs. But when I say eat less carbs, I'm not asking you to get rid of all the carbs. Carbs are important for you. Carbs can also include fruits and vegetables. That's good carbs. You should have those. But your more focus should be on protein. I have another video where I am talking about what is my diet plan. I will share that link in the description. Go check that video out in terms of what my diet plan was. I'm also going to add PDF and attach that in the video so that you don't have to go watch that video and you can get my diet plan in a PDF form so that you can follow it. Number 5 is working out. Now, working out can include anything. For example, you can go to the gym. I would say go a minimum of 4 to 5 days. 4 days, let's say, starting each weekday in the gym. Also involved in sports. Like, for example, I personally play squash. Every weekend for like 1.5 hours, I play squash and I burn 1,000 calories each Saturday, each Sunday, so that I can have some nice cheat meals within those weekends. When I say go work out, I would recommend you please also do the workout. Strength training, chest, biceps, triceps, wings, shoulders, thighs. Very important for you to do those exercises. Otherwise, you will lose a lot of muscle mass when you are doing a calorie deficit. So please, please, please do not skip going to the gym. Do the strength training. Do the strength training. Very important for you. Step number 6, don't forget to treat yourself. For example, you have ate clean every day in the week. On a Friday evening, Saturday evening, you want to go out with your family, you want to go out with your friends, have your cheat meal. Not cheat day, cheat meal. Have the chicken burger. If you want a chicken burger, go for it. If you want to have a pizza, go for it. If you want to have beef steak, go for it. If you want to have milkshake, chocolate shake, whatever you want, chocolates, go for it. But that should be once a week. 1 meal per week. I'm not saying cheat day, I'm saying cheat meal. Please focus on my words. Because cheat day will make all of the things go in vain because you will eat a lot of stuff throughout the day. So stick with a cheat meal, eat what you want, count your calories, make sure you log those calories in MyFitnessPal to see how much damage you have done, so you are accountable for the delay in your weight loss. So I would recommend you log that in your MyFitnessPal app or whatever calorie app you use. I'm not promoting MyFitnessPal app in this video. Don't be mistaken. They're not paying me anything. That is something that I personally use and I want to let you guys know that has helped me out. When I started doing this calorie deficit with more step counts, eating clean, I saw a significant difference. I have a weight machine where I can measure my weight in decimals of 100 grams. Every day I would start losing 100 to 200 grams because every day I would wake up, after going to the restroom, before the shower, I have a weigh machine and I can climb on the weighing machine and I would say, okay, today my weight is 125 kgs. Next day, I would do the same. and continue to do this every day, it will go down by 200 grams. Next day was 124.8, then 124.6. And within a week, I lost 1.5 kgs. That's when I realized things are going in the right direction. I was motivated, but the numbers are going in the right direction. I was motivated. So get something by which you can measure the smallest changes in your body. Yes, if you start going to the gym, you will gain some muscle mass. So don't get discouraged if your weight is going up. If you're going to the gym, you will gain some muscle. But in the long run, you will be able to see a big difference. Like in the first month, I lost 4 to 5 kgs. Small steps. First step, track your calories. That's when you realize what you're doing wrong with your diet. So what's the big lesson, guys? Small efforts make big impact changes if you consistently follow this and go out for a longer period of time. Sustainability is very important. If you were to make hard changes on your body, your body might give up in a week or so. Key takeaways, guys. I have this list so that I don't waste your time. Key takeaway is your health is your priority. My diabetes was one of my trigger points. I don't know what could be a motivation, so look out for that. Track your calories using my MyFitnessPal app. That's number 1. Maintain 1,000 calorie deficit each day. Okay. Walk at least 10,000 steps. I don't know if you can use I don't know if you can use an Apple Watch, Fitbit to track your steps. Even your iPhone captures your steps. Do 10,000 steps each day, a minimum. Choose brisk walking over running because that's the most sustainable approach. Ozempic pen helped a lot in my appetite control, in my cravings control. Check in with your doctor what you can get to help get some assistance in your weight loss journey. Combine strength with cardio, very important. Stay consistent even when there is slow progress. Stay consistent. Don't lose the hope. If I can do it, you can do it. And the last thing, make it a lifestyle, not a temporary diet, because we've been eating wrong the whole time. That's why we have so much excess weight, which we shouldn't have in the first place. If you are struggling with your weight loss, please drop a comment below this video. I'll try to come back as soon as possible, and I will try my best to help you out with whatever knowledge I have. Please don't forget to hit like on this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit that notification bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post a new video on this channel. Let's stay connected. Let's meet after 2 weeks. Until then, goodbye.